An ideal gas has undergone through the cyclic process as shown in the figure. Work done by the gas in the entire cycle is dash into 10 to the power minus 1 joule. So here is the cyclic process. Now we know that the work done of the cyclic process is equal to the area. So the area of this circular region is pi r square, that is here pi, and r is the radius. So here if the volume changes by delta V amount, so this is the delta V, so the radius is delta V by 2 times if the pressure change by this amount, that is delta P, so the pressure change, so the radius is again delta P divided by 2. Now the values of delta V and delta P are same, so the delta V is equal to 350 minus 150, that is 200 centimeter cube, 200 centimeter cube. So delta V by 2 is 100, so pi is 3.14 into delta V by 2, that is 100 centimeter cube. Now centimeter cube, if we change the unit from centimeter to meter, that is 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube. And the pressure delta P is equal to 500 minus 300, that is 200 kilopascal, because the pressure is given in kilopascal. So 200 by 2, that is, so the pressure change in pressure is 200 kilopascal, that is delta B by 2 is 100 kilopascal, that is 100 into 10 cube pascal. So the unit becomes meter cube pascal, that is Newton per meter square. Now this becomes 3.14 times 10 to the power minus 6, and here 3 into 10 square plus 10 square, that is 10 to the power 7. So this becomes 10 Newton meter, that is joule. So 3.14 into 10, that is 31.4 joule. But we have to write the answer in 10 to the power minus 1, in multiple of 10 to the power minus 1, that is this becomes 314 into 10 to the power minus 1 joule. So the work done by the gas in the entire circle is 314. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.